My name is Stephanie Toro. This is my house. My house has two stairs. Downstairs sister house, and there is a garage. Upstairs there is a bathroom. There are two bedrooms. There is a living room. There is a dining room. There is a kitchen. This is my bedroom. My bed between the table night and dresser. Mirror next to the teddy. Television and on the dresser. Pillow on the bed. Poster in front of the wall. Shoes in front of the dresser. Big bedroom. Bed behind the windows. Teddy on the armchairs. Closet next to the armchairs. Curtain in front of the window. Dining room. Table between the chairs. Plants next to the wall. Plants on the table. Living room. Sofa in front of the window. Television in front on the wall. Wall behind the sofa. Desk behind the sofa. Bathroom. Toilet near the shower. Sink in front of the toilet. Trash can next to the closet. Sink next to the armchairs. Kitchen. Kitchen between the wall and fortuner. Cooking pot on the furniture. Other structure above the kitchen. Other structure between the kitchen and furniture. My bed next to the bathroom. Dining room in front of the big bed. Dining room between the living room and kitchen. Big bed on my bed. Thank you.